Hi students. So today is the last class of direction and distance series. Okay. So we will continue with the coded direction and distance problems today. Okay. So we'll solve some new type and more of coded direction and distance. Okay. So please do subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up and share my channel because I have prepared all types of direction and distance questions that appear in your prelim as well as the mains exam. Okay, so today first question on your screen. Okay, so they have given that A% means what? A is 15-meter north of B. Okay, similarly, they have given you. Okay, then they have given A% at B means A is northeast of B. Okay, A and $B means A is southwest of B. Okay, so first question they have given you the expression and they have asked what is the total distance between V and Q, and five options are given to you. Okay, so first you will solve this and then I will solve. Okay, so two questions are under this question. Okay, so first question is what is the total distance between V and Q. So your timer starts now. Okay, students. So time up. So today we will solve this. The first question. Okay. So now P% Q means what? P% Q means P is to the north of Q. Okay. P is to the north of Q. So I draw P here and your Q will be here. And how many meter they have said? 15 meter. Okay. Next what they have given? Q at R. Q at R means Q is east of R, correct? Q is east of R means R should be placed here. Okay, so if you place R here, then only Q will be in the east of R. That is by 25 meter. Okay, so 25 meter. Next, R and S. R and S means R is south of S. So if R is south of S, then S should be placed where? And by 18 meter, correct? So if this is 15 meter, okay, till here it is 15 meter, then 3 meter extra we require to make it 18 meter. Okay, so S will be placed here. So this is 15 meter and this will be 3 meter. So total will be 18 meter. Okay. Next, S and T. S and T means S is to the east of T. So here T will come. Okay. That is how much? 25 meter. Correct? 25 meter. Next, T dollar U. T dollar U means what? T is west of U. So if T is west of U, by how many meter? They have said 23 meter. Okay. So U should be placed somewhere here. Okay. I'll place U somewhere here. So if this total distance between T and your S is 25 meter and the distance between T and U is 23 meter. Okay. So if I place 23 meter here. Okay. So this extra will be 3 meter. Okay. So total it will be 25 meter from T to S. But from T to U, you have 23 meter. If you want from U to S, it will be extra 3 meter. Okay. Next, V and U. V and U means V is to the south of U by 18 meter. Okay. V is to the south of U. So same line of R, okay, where R is placed, there only V will come somewhere because that is also what? 18 meter, correct? So in the same line as R, V will be placed. Okay. Next, what is the total distance? Question asked is, what is the total distance between your V and Q? Okay, so where is V? V is here and your Q is here. So they have not asked you the shortest distance, but they have asked the total distance covered from point V to Q, correct? So total distance will be, if you travel here, it will be 18 meter, correct? 18 meter, then 2 meter, correct? So by mistake I have written here 3 meter, it should be 2 meter, correct? 25 plus 2 meter, sorry, 23 meter plus 2 meter will be how much? 25 meter. Okay. Just a second, students. Okay. So total distance will be how much? It will be 18 meter plus 2 meter, then again 18 meter plus 25 meter. Correct? So 18 plus then this. Correct? This line. From here to here. This is how much? 2 meter. Then plus from S to R will be 18 meter. Then plus R to Q will be 25 meter. So this is the total distance traveled from V to Q. So what is the answer when you add 18 plus 2 plus 18 plus 25? It is 63 meter. So answer A is the correct option. 63 meter is the correct option. Okay. Okay, same question student, but second question under that. If this is the expression given to you, then P is in which direction with respect to U? And see the options given to you. Okay, slightly tricky, but it is not impossible to solve. Okay, it is possible to solve. Okay, so your timer starts now. So I draw the diagram because same diagram it is, right? So, okay, it will not be same diagram, my bad, because expression is different, correct? Yeah. So this diagram will be different and slightly tricky options also they have given you here in this question. Okay. Okay, time up students. So now we will solve this. Okay. So Q and R. Okay, Q and R means what? Q is to the south of R by 18 meter. Okay, Q is to the south of, I'll place Q here. Q is south of R by 18 meter. Next, R dollar S. R dollar S means what? R dollar S means R is to the west of S by 23 meter. So R is to the west of S. So S should be placed here then. Then only R will be to the west of S by 23 meter. Next, what they have given? S and T. S and T means S is south of T. S is to the south of T by 18 meter. So I'll place here T and this is your 18 meter. Next, S percentage U. S percentage U means S is to the north of U by 15 meter. S is to the north of U by 15 meter. So if from R to Q, if this hole is 18 meter, then from S to U, okay, it should be slightly lesser than Q because it is only 15 meter. So U is here 15 meter. Understood? Next, Q and P. Q and P means Q is east of P. Q is east of P. Okay. By how much? 25 meter. Correct? So Q is east of P means P will be placed here. Okay. And this is 25 meter. Okay. So this diagram you'll get. Okay. So this should be slightly lesser, correct? Because 15 meter U, so 15 meter. Okay. So what is the question asked here? P is in which direction with respect to U? So U is here and your P is here, correct? U and P. So if you see from the U point of view towards P, this is in which direction? P is in which direction? So if this is west, this is south, then P is in which direction? It is in the middle of south and west. So it is in southwest direction. But in the options, if you see, they have not given you southwest directly. But they have converted this options also in the place of symbols. Correct? So if I draw here, this is north, this is south, this is your east, and this is your west. We know it is southwest, correct? But only that we need to find out south is replaced by which symbol and north is replaced by, west is replaced by which symbol. Okay, so south is and. So if you see here, south indicates which symbol and. So here and will come. And for west, which symbol is there? West direction is here, correct? And it is dollar symbol. So for west it is dollar, correct? So which direction it was? In which direction P is placed? From with respect to you, southwest. So southwest means it will be and dollar. So see in which option it is there and dollar? B option, correct? So answer is B. Okay. Answer is B. Okay. That is and dollar. Okay. Okay, students. Second question of coded direction and distance on your screen. Okay. So two sub questions are there for this question. Okay. Five options are given to you. And as you can see, two conditions are also given to you. Okay. So slightly different type of question. Okay. So first question, 50-second timer. Okay, time up students. Okay. So we'll see how to solve this. Okay. So question asked is what is the shortest distance between A and F? So two conditions are given to you. Condition 1 is given. Okay. By this you can draw the diagram. Correct? You will draw the diagram. That is the expression given to you actually. Condition 1 is. But condition 2 also they have given you something. Okay. These are the conditions given to you. And you can see that you can see that okay you can see that here A at B means what? A is either 3 meter or 6 meter north of B. Okay, distance is not sure for the at symbol, if it can be either 3 meter or 6 meter. So that also you need to find out, okay, through the condition given to you. Okay, so you need to solve the problem, that is shortest distance between A and F. So first condition 1, go to condition 1. So what they have given, C and G is given, correct? So in condition 1 if you go, okay, then what is given? C and G is given to you. C and G means C is west of G. Okay, it can be either 8 meter or 12 meter. Okay, so that we don't know. So C is west of G, correct? This is given to you. C is west of G. C is west of G by 8 or it can be 12 meter. So for now I am drawing like this. Okay. Next, B hash C is given. B hash C means B is south of what? C. Okay, B is south of C. So B is south of C. I draw here. Okay, B is south of C. But there also we have confusion. It can be 9 or 15 meter. Next, B and A means what? B is to the west of A. Correct? B is to the west of A by 8 or 12 meter. Correct? So that also we don't know. Okay, so A I draw here. So it is 8 or 12 meter. Correct? Next, D at A. D at A means D is north of A. Okay, by 3 meter or 6 meter. So slightly lesser than this I draw. So if this is D, it can be 3 or 6 meter. Correct? Next, D%F. D%F means D is to the east of F. D is to the east of F by how much? 4 or 6 meter it can be. So I draw somewhere here F. Okay, F is here. So it can be 4 or 6 meter. Correct? Then next what they have given? H and E. H and E means H is to the west of E. H and E. So E connection is not there with H, correct? H is also point is not there and E point is also not there. But we have F. So first we will draw this F hash H. F hash H means F is to the south of H. So here somewhere H will come. Okay. And it is how much? 9 or 15 meter, correct? So it is 9 or 15 meter. Okay. Little bit confusion will be there if I write like this. Okay. So here it is 4 or 6 meter. Okay. And F to H it will be 9 or 15 meter. We are not confirmed yet. Then draw this H and E. H and E means H is west of E, correct? H is west of E by 8 or 12 meter. So I'll draw here somewhere E. Okay, so it is 8 or 12 meter. Okay, 8 or 12 meter. So we don't know the distance between any points like confirmed. So we need to find out from the second condition. Okay, so how we'll find out? Okay, so first condition 2, you see, HE is equal to BA. Okay, HE is equal to BA. Okay, but we are not confirmed with HE distance or BA distance. But any one point we find out, then HE will be equal to what? BA. Okay, any one you find out, both that will be equal. Okay, next. CG plus DF is equal to AB. CG is here, okay, plus your DF is here. That will be equal to AB, they are saying. Okay, that is also not confirmed. Next is CB minus DA. CB minus DA is equal to HE. Okay, then we have HF is equal to 2 times DF plus 1. So, how we will confirm this? Take your time and think about it. See, like if you take second this, okay, like CG plus DF should give you AB, correct? So when you add CG meter and DF meter, that is your distance, you will get AB, they are saying. Now, AB is what? AB can be, now CG, I'll write here, okay? DF is equal to AB. Now, AB distance they have given that if you see A and B, they have given it can be 8 or 12 meter. Okay. Now, CG what they have given? CG distance can be 8 or 12 meter. And DF what they have given? DF is 9 or 15 meter. Correct? So, DF is 9 or 15 meter. Okay. So if you add something like, you'll get that. Okay, otherwise, if you can't get through this, then you can go for next one. So this problem have to be solved like properly. Otherwise, if you get all the distance wrong, then whole problem will be wrong. So take your time because it's a main level problem. Okay. So if I go for the next one, CB. Okay, CB distance is what? 9 or your 15 meter. DA distance is 3 or 6 meter. And your HE distance is what? 8 or 12 meter. So if you subtract, okay, 15 minus 3. Okay. So if you subtract 15 minus 3, what you will get? 12 meter you will get. So it is confirmed that CB distance will be 15. If it is 15, DA distance is 3 meter, then only HE can be either 8 meter or 12 meter. So when I do 15 minus 3, you will get 12 meter. Correct? So if you get HE, you will get the distance of BA or AB, whatever you say. Okay, because that too is equal, they are saying. Correct? So what did I get? CB has 15 meter. Then DA I got as 3 meter. Okay. So see, if you do 9 minus 3, you'll not get 8 or 12. Okay. Similarly, if you do 15 minus 6, you'll not get 8 or 12 meter. So what if you subtract, you'll get HE as either 8 meter or 12 meter. If you do 15 minus 3, then only you'll get 12 meter. Okay, so that's why you can confirmly say that CB is 15 meter, DA is 3 meter, okay, and your HE is 12 meter. Okay, so if HE is 12 meter, then your BA, okay, or AB distance will be how much? 12 meter. So I draw the diagram here. Okay, this is your C, this is your G, suppose. Okay, then this is your B. Then till here it will be A, correct? Wait. Okay, first till here I draw. Okay. So CG distance you know how much it is? Till now CG distance is not known. Okay. CB distance is known? Yes, 15 meter. Next, um, BA distance is known, that is 12 meter. Correct? So 12 meter means slightly bigger I draw. Okay, till here I draw. Okay, so here is A, that is 12 meter. Okay, next you have diagram like this. I draw the diagram first. Okay, F here, then you have H here, and then you have E here. Okay, E is here. Okay, then HE. HE also I got as 12 meter, because if this is 12 meter, HE is also 12 meter because they are equal, they have said in the condition given to you. Next, DA. DA distance is also known, that is 3 meter. Okay. Next equation if you go, okay, you have CG plus DF is equal to AB. Okay. Now, CG DF, AB distance you know. AB distance is how much? 12 meter. Correct? So if I add, then you should get 12 meter. If I add CG and DF distance, I should get 12 meter. Now CG, it can be 8 or 12 meter. DF is 9 plus 15 meter. Okay, so what if you add, you'll get 12 meter. DF, can you know DF distance? HF is equal to 2 times DF plus 1. Okay, that can't be found out. Try to find out. Let me also think. Okay, okay. So 8 plus 9 can't give you 12, correct? Or okay, students. So can you find out how it is? See, from the equation, you'll not know how to find out. One more trick you have to use here. That suppose, okay, see, if you can see here, this was 8 or 12 meter, correct? In this diagram, this was 8 or 12 meter. This was 8 or 12 meter. And this was 8 or 12 meter. So in order to find out the CG distance, okay, if this is 12 meter, if this is 12 meter, then this should be 8 meter. Understanding? Because 12 meter is already your AB distance and HE distance. So 8 can't be placed in HE or AB distance. It should be placed in CG distance. So that's why CG is 8 meter. Okay. Then DF. Can you find out DF? So if CG is 8, okay, and your, yeah, CG is 8 meter, okay. So if CG is 8 meter, CB is 15 meter, okay, you get CG has 8 meter. Okay, now what is left is DF and HF. Okay, DF and HF is left. So see, ACG you got as 8, correct? So DF can be either it can be 4 or 6 meter, but AB you need how much? You need 12 meter. So when you add this, you should get 12 meter. Okay, you know how you got CG distance. Okay, because HE and AB was 12 meter, that's why CG will be what? If 12 is eliminated from here, then what is left? 8 is there. So 8 meter. Okay. So that's what the logic is. Okay. By using this condition directly, you will not get. You should use some other logic. Okay. So now one more logic is that 8 plus 4 will give you 12 or 8 plus 6 will give you 12. From that you can find out the DF distance. So obviously 8 plus 4 when I do, you will get 12 meter. Correct? So what is the distance of DF? It should be 4 meter. So DF distance is 4 meter. Okay. Next, what is left? HF is left. So use this last equation directly because you know all the distances now. So HF will be 2 times DF plus 1. So DF is 4. So 2 into 4. HF will be 2 into 4 plus 1. So 2 fours are 8 plus 1 which will give you 9. So HF distance will be 9 meter. So here the distance was 9 or 15 meter. 15 is excluded. So answer will be 9 meter. So from this diagram, you need to find out the shortest distance between A and F. So where is A placed? A is placed here. Okay. And your F is placed here. So draw the right angle triangle. Using the Pythagoras theorem, you can find out. Okay. What is the shortest distance between A and F? So here I write AF will be root of what? DF square. DF square plus your DA square. Correct? So AF will be equal to root of DF square is 4 square plus see this diagram, okay? And your DA square will be 3 square. So AF will be 16 plus 9, which gives you root of 25. So root of 25 is 5 meter. So answer is C. That is 5 meter. Understood? So this was little bit tricky question. Right, student? So this is how the questions are framed in the mains level. Okay. So in the mains level, you need to uh, think properly. Use as many logics, whatever logics you come across, okay, to solve this type of question. Okay. Okay, students, this is the same question, but second question under that. If Z is 12 meters south of E, then what is the position of B with respect to Z? Okay, some Z point they have added. Okay, so your timer starts now. Okay, I draw the diagram. Okay, what we got after finding all the distances, correct? G here, C here, which was 8 meter, correct? Then here is P, which is 15 meter. Then you have A. Then this is 12 meter, correct? Then D here is placed, which is 3 meter. Then you have F, which is 4 meter. H, 9 meter. Okay, time up, students. What answer you got? Here is E, which is 12 meter. Okay, now what they have said, if Z is 12 meter, okay, if Z is 12 meters south of E, if Z is 12 meters south of E, so if this is 9 meter, okay, so till here it will be 9 meter, okay, so more 3 meter is required, correct? So somewhere here I draw, okay, which will be 12 meter, and this is your Z point, okay. Then what is the position of B with respect to Z? What is the position of B? See, this full length from C to B is 15 meter. So 12 meter should be slightly, okay. So if this is 9 meter, okay, more 3 meter you require to make it 12 meter. So I draw here somewhere, okay. See, 9 plus 3 will give you 12 meters. So here it should come exactly. So this will be 12 meter because this till here it will be 9 meter, correct? Okay, if I extend this is a rectangle and this is also becomes a rectangle. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So if this is 9 meter, then this will be also 9 meter. Okay. If this is 3 meter, then this will be also 3 meter. So 3 plus 9 will be 12 meter. So Z is 12 meters south of E. So it should come here. Okay. So what is the position of B with respect to Z? So Z is here. So if I see B, B is in the west direction, correct? So A is the correct option. West is the correct option. Okay. Okay, third question on your screen, students. Please solve this. It is similar to that of second question. Okay, your timer starts now. But slightly different. Okay, here also some conditions are given to you. Okay. And here, students, one mistake is there. Okay. Here, A explanation B means A is to the east. Okay, this is east. My bad. Sorry for that. So this is east of B. Okay. Okay, time up, students. Okay. So we will solve this. So this is very important. Okay, whatever note they have given you. Now P explanation Q means P is to the east of Q, correct? So here I'll place Q somewhere. I'll place Q here somewhere. Okay, this is Q and this is P. Okay, so we got the direction, but what about the distance? Now, as you can see, in the last two lines they have given $B means distance between A and B is either 9 meter or 15 meter, and percentage means it is either 7 meter or 12 meter. And in the expression also you can see the explanation $Q is there, or you can see Q hash percent R is there. So this dollar and percentage, they are giving you the distance, but it is not confirmed which is what distance. Okay, so dollar can be 19 or 15 meter and your percentage can be 7 meter or 12 meter. Okay, so here from Q to P we don't know. So dollar indicates it can be 9 or 15 meter. Okay. Next, Q hash percent R. Q hash percent R means what? Q is to the north of R, correct? So Q is to the north of R by your percentage is there. So it can be 7 meter or 12 meter. Okay. Next, Q explanation mark percentage T is there. Explanation means Q is to the east of T, correct? By 7 or 12 meter because percentage is there. So it is 7 or 12 meter. Next, T at dollar $s is there. T at S means what? T at S means T is to the south of S, correct? So T is to the south of S by 9 or 15 meter because dollar is there. So S is here somewhere. If I draw, it is 9 or 15 meter. Next, what is there? U and dollar $s is there. So U and S means what? U and S means U is to the west of S. U is to the west of S. Okay, by how many meter? Dollar is there, so it is 9 or 15 meter. We don't know. Correct? Next, what they have given? W at percent P. W at P means what? W is to the south of P. So P is here. W will be here somewhere. And what they have given is percent. Percent can be 7 or 12 meters. So exactly in the R direction will be your W. Okay. So which is 7 or 12 meter. Next, what they have given? Y explanation percent W. Okay. So Y is to the east of W by 7 or 12 meters. So Y will be here somewhere. Okay, Y will be here somewhere at 7 or 12 meter. Okay, understanding? So this diagram you will get. Okay, now to confirm which is what distance, you need to look at this conditions given to you. The second condition. Okay, so first they are saying that QR is equal to PW. Okay, QR is equal to PW. Okay, from that we can't know which is what because QR is what? Q is here and your R is here. It can be 7 or 12 meter. Okay, PW is also what? 7 or 12 meter. Okay, so if you get one distance, then that will be equal to another. Next condition they have given that US is greater than QP. Okay, US is greater than QP. US should be greater than QP. Now, what is the distance of U and S? US distance is, it can be 9 or 15 meter. And what is QP distance? QP distance is also 9 or 15 meter. But what the condition is saying that US should be greater than QP. So obviously 9 is greater or 15 is greater? 15 is greater. So US should be 15 so that it is greater than 9. So if US is 15 then QP will be what? 9 meter. Correct? So what you got from this is that US is 15. Correct? US is 15 meter and your QP will be 9 meter. Okay? So from this condition you got this. This is 9 meter. Okay? Go to next condition. So your US is 15 meter and your QP you got as 9 meter. Okay? Next condition. Go to next condition. What is next condition? Stating that PW, okay, is less than QP. You know the QP distance. How much is the QP distance? 9 meter. So something should be less than, so QP से भी छोटा होना चाहिए PW. Okay? QP का डिस्टेंस क्या है? 9 मीटर. सो 9 मीटर से भी छोटा होना चाहिए PW का डिस्टेंस. अभी PW कहाँ पे है? P यहाँ पे है और अपना W यहाँ पे है. So it can be 7 or 12 meter. Okay. So अभी बताओ 7 9 से छोटा है कि 12 9 से छोटा है? So 7 is lesser than 9 or 12 is lesser than 9? Obviously 7 is lesser than 9, correct? So PW distance will be how much? 7. So 7 meter will be PW, which is less than 9 meter. So PW distance will be how much? 7 meter. Okay. So here PW distance you got as how much? 7 meter. Understanding? So now if you get PW distance is 7 meter, then PW is equal to what? QR. PW is equal to QR they have given. This one. Correct? So if PW is 7 meter, then QR will be also what? 7 meter. So where is QR? Where is QR? Here it is. Okay. So here also it will be what? 7 meter. Okay. Now, next, what is left is the last one, that is ST is greater than WY. What they have given is ST is greater than WY. Okay. So this is also over, right? So ST is greater than WY. Now ST distance is, this distance is 9 or 15, and this distance is, WY distance is 7 or 12. So you tell me what should be ST distance then? ST distance. Okay. So what can be ST distance? It can be anything, right? So ST can be 9. Okay. If it is 9, it is greater than 7. This satisfies the condition. Okay. And if you take 15 also, 15 is greater than 12. This condition also it satisfies. So you can't tell ST distance. It can be 9 or 15 meter. Okay. Understanding? So from this you can't find out the distance between ST and WY. Because if you put 9 also, 9 is greater than 7. If you put 15 also, 15 is greater than 12. Even if you compare between 15 and 7, 15 is greater than 7. Correct? So ST distance can be 9 or 15 meter, and your WY distance will be also 7 or 12 meter. Okay, because nothing condition proves that ST is 9 meter or 15 meter. Can be either. So what is the first question telling you? If the distance between W and Y is 7 meter, okay, now they have given in the question itself that if WY distance is 7 meters, suppose, if WY distance is 7 meter, okay, then what is the distance between S and T they are telling, okay. Still, if this is, if WY is also 7 meter, understanding, and if you go to this condition, okay, that is ST is greater than WY if you go. And if they give that WY is 7 meter, okay, if WY is 7 meter, but you can't still find out what is the distance between S and T, because this is 9 or 15 meter, correct? ST should be greater than WY, what they have given the condition. 9 is greater than 7, correct? And 15 is also greater than 7, correct? So you can find out ST can be 9 or it can be 15. Okay, so what should be your answer? Answer is E1. Either 9 meter or 15 meter. This is your correct option. Either it can be 9 meter or 15 meter. Okay. So hope you got this correct. Okay, students. Fourth question on your screen. Okay. Solve this. Two sub questions are there under this, but try to find out, okay, what is the logic behind this. Note they have given that A at explanation B means A is northwest of B. The above conditions neither follow addition nor subtraction. So the logic doesn't lie under your addition or subtraction. If it's not addition or subtraction, then what it could be? It could be your division and multiplication. So try to solve this. Okay, like this type of problem we had solved, correct? But their addition was used in the previous class, if you remember. Now in this, the above conditions neither followed addition nor subtraction. So obviously if addition, subtraction doesn't work, go for multiplication and division. Okay. So we'll see what the logic is here. Okay. Condition is given to you. So first you need to find out this and all is okay. Like P at Q means P is north of Q. But from 24, 16 came. Correct? From 24 to 16. Then from 27 it is 9. Then from 32 to 24. Then from 18 to 54. So what is the logic here? Okay, what is the logic? That you need to find out. If you get this logic, then same logic you will apply for all these numbers. Okay, this type we had solved in the previous class, but there the addition was used. If you remember, plus 14 we had done there. Okay, now here you need to use multiplication and division. Okay, so here if you see, okay, first if I concentrate at the first sentence, that is P at Q, it is from 24, correct? So from 24, how you're getting 16? 24 into, if you do 2 by 3, you will get 16. Okay? Then if you go to percentage, 27 to 9, how you will get? When you divide by 3, you will get 9. That is the logic for percentage. Next is AND. For AND, from 32 you are getting 24. So there the logic is 32 into 3 by 4 when you do, you will get 24. And finally you have hash. There from 18 you are getting 54. So when you multiply 3, you will get 54. So for each symbol here, different logics are used. So for at, whenever you come across at, you need to multiply by 2 by 3. Whenever you come across percentage, you'll divide by 3. Whenever you come across and, you will multiply by 3 by 4. And whenever you come across hash, you'll multiply by 3. So this is what the logic is here. Okay. So here you need to use this logic for each and every number here, like for whatever conditions they have given. Okay, so here you first solve for AND. Okay, for AND, what is the logic? For AND, you need to multiply by 2 by 3. Okay, in this, here I will write. Okay, so for AND, it is multiply by 2 by 3. For percentage, it is divided by 3. Then for AND, it is multiply by 3 by 4. And lastly, for hash, it is multiply by 3. So this is what the logics are, correct? So first here, for 27, 8 is there. So 8 I need to multiply by 2 by 3. So what you will get? A at B will get, when you 27 into 2 by 3 when you do, you will get 18. Next, first solve all at. Here also at is there. F at D. Here also you need to multiply for 48 into 2 by 3, correct? So here I write as it is. Then we have F at D. So how much you will get? 48 into 2 by 3, you will get 32. Okay. Next, at is there, and is there. Sorry, at is there. No. Next, go to percentage. Okay, go to percentage. G percent I 72. So for percentage, what logic is used? Divide by 3. So 72 divided by 3 will give you how much? 24. Okay. Next, percentage is there? Yes. A percentage, D is there. So 54 divided by 3 will give you how much? 18. Correct. Next, B percentage, G is there. So 36 divided by 3 will give you 12. Okay. Next, go for AND. Okay. Go for AND. So AND, what is logic? 24 into 3 by 4 you need to multiply. So 24 into 3 by 4, when you do, you'll get 18. Okay. Next, AND is used. I and C. I and C. So 48 into 3 by 4 will give you 36. Okay. Next, AND is used somewhere? No. And finally, what is left? Hash is left, correct? So hash is here, C hash E, 4. So for hash into 3, you need to multiply. So C hash E will be how much? 4 threes are 12. So this you need to use and draw the diagram, direction as well as the distance. Okay. So I have told you the logic, students. So just draw the diagram. Okay. And this is your question. What is the distance of D with respect to C? Okay. And two questions are there. One more question is there. So five options are given to you here. Okay. So your timer starts now. Okay, students. I'll also draw the diagram simultaneously. Okay, time up, students. So A at B means A is to the north of B. So how much meter? Just now we have found out, right? So 18 meter, correct? Don't look at this because just now what we have found out, distance that we need to take. Okay. Next, G percent I means what? G is to the west of I, correct? G is to the west of I. G and I, but connecting points are not there here. Then where you can see A, okay. Connecting point is A and B. So A percent D means A is to the west of D, correct, by 18 meter. Okay. Here is your D and this is your 18 meter. Next, B percent G. If you see, B is to the west of G by how much? How much meter you had got? 12, correct? 12 meter. So, should be slightly lesser than 18 meters. So, if I place G somewhere here, 12 meter. Next, G percent I. Now you got the connecting point. So, G percent I means G is to the west of I by 24 meter, correct? 24 meters somewhere here I will draw. This is I. Next, J and E is there, correct? J and E connecting points are not there. I and C you can use. I and C. I and C. I and C means I is to the south of C by 36 meter, correct? 36 meter. So this is 18 meter. Then more 18 meter I have to draw. Here will be C. So total is 36 meter. Correct. Next, J and E. C hash. Okay, C hash E you can take now. C hash E means C is to the east of E. C is to the east of E by 12 meter. Okay. 12 meter. Here somewhere. In the middle 24 meter is there here, so in the middle it will come 12 meter. E will be placed here. Next, J and E you can take now. J and E, so J is to the south of E by 18 meter. Okay, J is to the south of E by 18 meter. So here it will be, because this is also 18, this is also 18, correct? So 18 meter here, and here is your J, correct? Next, F and D, correct? F and D means what? F and D means F is to the north of D. F is to the north of D, correct? By 32 meter, correct? So 32 meter, somewhere here I draw 32 meter, correct? So this is the diagram you will get. Now what question they have asked? What is the distance of D with respect to C? Okay, what is the distance? Not distance, it should be direction, correct? Direction, it should be direction. What is the direction of D with respect to C? C is here and your D is here. So when you see at D, which distance is this? This is your south, this is your west. So what is this? This is southwest. So answer is B, southwest. Okay. Okay, second sub question under fourth question, that is if Q is 6 meter west of J, then in which direction is F with respect to Q? Okay. So your timer starts now. Diagram will be the same. Okay, so I'll draw the diagram. Okay, time up, students. What answer you got? Okay, so this is the diagram, correct? Now what they have said, if Q is 6 meter west of J, if Q is 6 meter west of J. So see students, if this is 18 meter, okay, from A to D is 18 meter, okay. Then if I extend here, then from J to this point, somewhere here, is what? Your 12 meter. Alright, correct? So if you take E to C also, this is 12 meter. Okay. And from this to this is 18 meter. Correct? So what will be this meter? Because till here, if I take this full is 24 meter. Correct? So here 6 meter, where I should draw? Q is 6 meter west of J. So this should be 6 meter. Okay. So I will draw Q somewhere here. Okay. Q somewhere here I'll draw. And this should be 6 meter somewhere here. Okay. So then what they have said, then in which direction is F with respect to D? So here should be Q. In D place only Q will come because 6 plus 12. Okay, like that. It will be like fully, it will be how much? Yeah. So 6 meter it will be. So Q if it is here, then in which direction is F with respect to Q? So if you see with respect to Q, F is in the north direction, correct? So answer is A, that is north. Okay. Okay, students. This is the final question of this class of direction and distance. Okay. So please solve this. This is a mixture of, you can see that blood relation is also there and direction distance topic is also there. So this is a new question for you all. So please solve this. The timer starts now. Mixture of blood relation and direction and distance is given. So this can be also a part of your blood relation topic, and it can be also part of your direction and distance topic. Okay. So in this case, what you need to do, separately you need to draw blood relation, and separately you need to draw the direction and distance. And then combined question is asked. That's all. So time up, students. Okay, we will solve this. So A hash B means A is daughter of B, as well as A is 8 meter to the east of B. So first what we will do is, using this expression, whatever the expression is given, first I will draw the blood relation chart, and then I will draw the direction and distance. Okay. So first is what is given? T dollar M is given. T dollar M means T is the maternal uncle of M. Maternal uncle means what? Mother side, correct? So mother side will be maternal. Father side will be paternal. Okay? You know, right? Because we have already studied blood relation topic. Maternal means mother side, and paternal means father's side. Okay. So maternal uncle they have said, correct? So I draw here, correct? So maternal uncle he is. So uncle is a male. So male is denoted by plus sign, female is denoted by minus sign. This also we have studied in the blood relation topic, correct? So if you haven't watched my class on blood relation from prelims to mains level, please do watch all the videos. Okay, I have made the playlist also. Okay, under each topic I have made all the playlist. Okay, so so maternal uncle. Okay, I'll draw like this. Next, I'll go M hash S. M hash S means M is the daughter of S. Okay, M is the daughter of S, female, so indicated by minus sign. M is the daughter of S. Okay. Now, when T will become the maternal uncle, you think? When he has the sibling. Okay. He has the sibling, and yeah, if he is having a sibling, and it can be a male or female. Okay. And that male or female is having a child. Then for that child, T will be maternal uncle. Okay. So if it is maternal uncle, then child's mother, okay, child's mother should be, T should be the brother of that mother. Then only that child will be, for T, it will, for whatever child, T will be maternal uncle. Correct? Okay. Instead of saying we will draw, otherwise you'll get confused. S greater than P means what? S greater than P means S is wife of P. Okay, so S is wife of P. So this is minus wife of P. Understood? Next, P star F. P star F means P is the father of F. Okay, P is the father of F. I draw here. F, this symbol B means F is the sister of B. F is the sister of B. So that means F and B are siblings. Next, B star Z means B is the father of Z. Okay, so B is the father of Z. Okay. Now, see students, if T and S, if they both become siblings, okay, then these are also siblings, because They have said that P star F means P is the father of F. F and B are siblings. Okay. And they had also said that M hash S means M is the daughter of S. If M is the daughter of S, okay, and if S is married to P, then this M, F and B, they all are siblings. Okay. And if T should be the maternal uncle, okay, of M, then T should be the sibling with S. Then only T will become the maternal uncle of M. Okay. So this is the expression what they have said. Next comes here. Now from this you can answer the blood relation question. If X is married to M, what they are saying? If X is married to M, okay, there is X which is married to M. Okay, X is there which is married to M. So if M is female, then X should be male, correct? Then who among the following is brother-in-law of B? They have asked. Who is the brother-in-law of B? So M, F and B, they all are siblings, correct? So who is the brother-in-law of B? If M is married to X, then who is the brother-in-law of B? Obviously X, correct? So you got the answer for blood relation, that X is the brother-in-law of B. Okay. Now same expression you use because they have also asked in the question, and what is the total distance between B and M? So now go to direction and distance. Okay. Okay. T dollar M means what? T is, now see only this. T is east of M by 8 meter. Correct? T is east of M. T is east of M by sorry, dollar is given, correct? T dollar M. T dollar M means T is 10 meter to north of M. So T is north of M by 10 meter. Next what they have given, M hash S. M is the M is east of S, correct? So M is east of S by 8 meter. Next what they have given, S greater than P. S greater than P means S is east of P by 15 meter. Okay. Here somewhere I'll draw. Okay. Here is P. This is 15 meter. Next P asterisk F. P asterisk F means P is south of F by 15 meter. So if this is 10 meter, then more 5 meter I require. So that will be F, which is 15 meter. Next, okay. Okay, students. So next, what they have said, where we reach till F, right? Then F, this symbol P means what? F is 12 meter west of this B. 12 meter, so it is slightly lesser than 15, correct? So this is 12 meter and this is your B. Then B star Z means B is south of Z, correct? B is south of Z. Z will be somewhere here by 15 meter. Okay. Now what they have said, what is the total distance between B and M? Where is B? Where is your B? B is here and M is here. So they want the total distance, correct? So you need to just add. Okay, you need to add 12 plus 15 plus 15 you will have plus 8, correct? So how much you'll get? 38. 38 plus 12 is 50. So you'll get 50. Okay, 50 meters. So answer to your question is X and 50 meter. Okay. So this is the problem. Okay, and the solution to it. So your answer will be, final answer will be X and 50 meter. Okay. Okay, students. Thank you, students. That's it for today. So this was the last class of direction and distance. I'll make the playlist for it. Okay. So thank you, students. Please do subscribe to my channel. That's it for today, guys. Thank you.